Good morning, guys. Short O and long O this week. cvce again and cvvc again as well. There is no oddball header, but there are two oddball words. So as usual, pay attention to the sounds of your words as you're going through your sort, and you should be able to find those oddballs fairly quickly. Let's take a look at these two words right up at the top. We have road, spelled R-O-D-E, and road, spelled R-O-A-D. These are homophones. They sound the same, but they're spelt differently. The first one we circled, this road here, is I rode on the bike or I rode on the horse. And this one is I was driving on the road. Again, spelt differently, but sound exactly the same. Hopefully we all know this word. Silent K in the beginning of knock. So that's worth taking a look at. Silent K in the beginning of knock. And I think we've had it before, but let's take a look at this word here, whole. This is the whole thing, not a hole in the ground. This is I ate the whole sandwich. I ate the whole pie. Challenge yourself to see if you can come up with headers of your own to sort the words into rather than the CVC, cvce, and cvvc, because that can also be done. Please be sure to, as usual, complete your sort, ridding of any scraps, and getting materials put back neatly and quietly. I will get the lists out to you, and then the packet once I've seen your completed sort.